how to unpublish Facebook page. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and make sure that you are currently logged in to your Facebook page. Now, to be able to unpublish it, what you want to do is to look down, and you will see on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. Tap on the menu here. Now, if you tap on menu, what you want to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy, then go to settings. Now under settings, you will see the first section there, the page section here. You'll see page settings and linked accounts. Tap on page settings, and what you want to do next is to, here it will lead you to this, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is on the upper part, you'll see search settings here, and just tap on delete account here. Now, if you tap on delete your page and information, if you tap on that, you will be led here, so you can either deactivate or delete your Facebook page. Now, since you just want to unpublish it, make sure that you have toggled on, or you have actually tapped on the deactivate page instead of delete page. Now, if you tap on the activate page, so this can be temporary and your page will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most settings you've shared. But again, since you just unpublish it, you can actually revoke it and activate your page again. So tap on the activate page and tap on continue. Then tap on continue and type in your password there. And here, give a reason why you want to deactivate. You say, this is temporary, I'll be back. And then tap on continue again. And this will actually, you just have to read through this. Now, here you will see reactivate your account. So you can set it, don't reactivate it automatically, or you want to reactivate it after 4 days, you can also do that. Then tap on continue. Now here, if you want to transfer your posts and photos, tap on transfer. For me, you just have to deactivate it, so tap on deactivate page. And basically that is it. That's how you deactivate Facebook page, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.